Welcome to 7401 Northwest 16th Street, Unit 108 in Plantation, Florida. Step inside this bright, beautifully maintained home featuring an open living layout with low-maintenance tile flooring throughout and fantastic natural light. Slide open the glass doors to your private screened-in patio, the perfect spot to relax with your morning coffee while enjoying peaceful green views. The primary bedroom offers generous space, bay-style windows, and a massive walk-in closet complete with built-in wire shelving to organize all your wardrobe needs. Nearby, you'll find a second versatile room ideal for a home office or guest room, along with a stylishly updated bathroom featuring sleek tiled surrounds and a frameless glass shower. At the heart of the home, the modern kitchen boasts warm wood cabinetry,